In today's video, I will teach you how to view photos in full screen in Lightroom. Let's get started. If you want to view your photos in full screen in Lightroom, there are different modes depending on whether you want a simple full screen view, a distraction-free workspace, or a slideshow mode. The first method is full screen preview. This removes distractions and displays the image in full screen. To do this, select an image in Library or Develop module. Then press F to enter full screen. Then press F again or Escape to exit. This is great for reviewing edits without distractions. The second method is full screen with interface hidden. If you want Lightroom's tools hidden but still need access to panels, you can simply press Shift F to cycle between different screen modes. Keep pressing to switch between windowed, semi-full screen, and full screen. This is useful when editing and needing more screen space. The third method is full screen slideshow. For a full screen slideshow of your images, simply press Command Shift F on Mac or Control Shift F on Windows. Then press Escape to exit. This is great for presentations or reviewing multiple images. A bonus tip is accessing the loop view for a clean full preview. To do this, simply press E in the Library module for full preview without distractions. By using these shortcuts, you can quickly view your photos in full screen in Lightroom and focus on your edits without distractions. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.